Hi, it's Jason in Jason's Jungle. Today I'm going to be putting out my tatties and some peas and some onions. So I'll get on with that. So I've got here my Pentland Javelin. They've already been chitted. I've got about 30 spuds here, and they're going into this 8 foot by 4 foot bed. Very easy to do. First of all, I space them out. Put them about a foot apart, which is about that much. Okay, so that's 30 in the bed. Now all I need to do, because the soil's really light, is just pull it apart and drop these in. Now, if I hold this up here, you'll be able to see the chits and the eyes. Some of them have them at one end, others have the eyes and the chits all over. So I put these with them pointing up, and then just bury it. Put them down about 6 to 8 inches deep, and if they've got them at different places, I put the healthiest ones pointing up. So I'll just keep burying these and get them all done. So that's all my spuds planted. Once they start coming up, I will add a topping of top dress of me compost on top of them, just to help cover the shoots a bit more and just add a bit more goodness. But the soil's nice and rich and full because it's been topped up every year. But now I'm onto my peas. So these are my peas. They're called Roscoe Semi-Dwarf, and I start them off in these paper pots, which, as you can see here, the roots are coming through nicely now. Now we do that because if I plant, every time I planted seeds directly, the mice get to them. So I'll be planting them out in these this year, and hopefully get a reasonable crop of peas off them. So the paper pots, as you can see, the roots go through them. You can sort of tear them if you want to when you're planting them out, just to give it a bit of help. Just make a hole or two in them. But these will break down eventually, and the roots have had no problem getting through. So I'll pop them out. I have 3, 4, 6 times 4, so 24. So they'll take up a fair bit of the bed. I've got about 2 peas per pot. So I'll plant them a few inches apart, just to give them more space to grow. So that's the peas done. Now I'm off to plant some onions. I tried growing some onion seed this year, But I didn't have too much of this. I think it might have been old seed. So I bought these. These are transplants. They're basically seed grown by somebody else that I then transplant. So I just open these up. These ones are actually Kelsey. I thought I'd give them a try. I had a good soak. And there we have basically all those roots together. Now I just need to split them apart, just gently. Come apart quite easy. And then I'll plant them out individually. Just basically making a hole with your fingers and dropping them in. So that's those Kelsey onions done. I've got a few sets that need to go in. I'll do that next time I'm down. And yeah, that'll be that for the onions this year. And well, I see you on the next video. Ta-ra.